Hello, the Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video, I'm going to show or I can analyze the market technically for this whole day and upcoming days. And this is Monday, that means first day of this week, and we are going to break down the market trends, support and resistance zone, and other key possible strategies. Okay, so as per our analysis style, we always start our analysis with higher time frame to check the market direction. Then we can find out our path, our entry, our direction into lower time frame. Okay, so let's get back into daily time frame to check today's market movement or today's market direction. As you can see there, beginning of the day, market just try to go bearish, and then it just trying to go up, or it just trying to keep a neck or keep a wick. Okay, so if I want to go in each 4 time frame, as you can see there, market was started somewhere around that particular area, and again just there is a bearish movement, and there's another 4-hour candle with bearish movement, but it's just trying to create a bullish momentum over here. That means there is a high wick. Okay, and if I especially want to go for each 1 time frame, as you can see there, if I zoom out a little bit more and let's make it full screen view, and as you can see there is a uncertain momentum or uncertain movement from the market. And if we want to draw key zones like support, resistance and trend line areas, as you can see there is a trend line. Okay, that could be a trend line, and if I want to draw another support zone over here, that could be a support zone. And from this analysis, what can be happened over there, this is a very easy and simple. As you can see there is a breakout, again another breakout, and it just respected our resistance area, and it's just trying to go down, and again it's just trying to go up. And our if you considering to sell, or if you want to sell, take any sell entry, you have to wait till that particular area to enter a sell entry. Then we can consider a sell entry with a candle confirmation. Otherwise, if it give us a bullish breakout over here, then we have to wait for a pullback or retest that zone, then we can go for buy. Okay, this is the conclusion, or this is the scenario for now. And if I want to go for a small time frame, like for the scalpers, like M15 time frame, as you can see there is a lot of situation happened over there. And if I want to draw key possible support and resistance zone, as you can see there, if I want to draw possible support and resistance areas or zones, let me make it perfect first. And as you can see there is a possible support and resistance trend line. And if I want to draw another one over here, okay, that could be perfect over here. Okay, seems perfect right now. And if I try to draw a resistance area like that, okay, for 15-minute time frame, that means a smaller time frame, as you can see there is a breakout, then retest, again break, again go down, again up, again down, again up, again down, again up, again down, again just trying to go up. That means there is already 1 to 3 times respected this particular area, and there is a chance to respect that area. Otherwise it will go till that particular area, then we can expect a sell entry with candle confirmation. Without that, we can take any entry over there. And if it give us a breakout, then we have to wait for pullback either here, either there, then we can consider a buy entry. Okay, if we want to draw a trend line over there, let's ignore that. As you can see there is another trend line formed, so we have to wait for now. Otherwise we can't do anything over here. Without confirmation, you can't do anything. Okay, so for now my suggestion is just wait and monitor this key level or key zones, then we can enter the market, or we can consider buy or sell entries. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal, you may join our public telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the description box. There we are sharing daily 10 to 20 analysis strategies and news trading fundamental things. Okay, so you may join there to get free updates. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.